Take a ride in the 2023 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.